Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. We are doing a declutter and organize. So as you guys know, we are moving. So we have about 2 weeks to move everything. So today we are going to declutter our space so that way we're not taking anything with us to the new place that we don't want. So we're going to declutter, organize, and pack for you guys. So we're giving you guys all the motivation. So let's get into the video.
Slip into your dreams tonight.
So today's goal is to box all this stuff up. So we'll be decluttering, organizing, and boxing this up. And then I also want to go ahead and do this stuff as well, because this stuff has been under here for the last year and we haven't really pulled anything out. So most of that stuff will probably be given away. I don't know if you guys remember that we had like a cabinet, linen cabinet, and I'll put a clip in here on what it looks like, but we did sell that. So now we need to box all this up and just go through it and just see what we want and reorganize. So let's go ahead and get to work. So what we're doing here is going through each item and making sure we actually use it. So the towels that have a little wear and tear in them that need to be thrown away, we're going to go ahead and throw that away. All the different products down there, if we don't use them regularly, we're just going to toss out or give away. We're going to also box up the decor and the shower curtain and the towels as well.
'Cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down?
Also want to mention, I just posted my small apartment tour video. So if you are wanting to see the place that we are moving into, definitely check out that video. I'll put it in the description box below and on the screen right here. So as you see right here, we're just doing the exact same thing we did with underneath the bathroom cabinet. So any products that we haven't used in the last few months or so, we're going to go ahead and put it in our donate pile. Some of the items we'll have to throw away just because we did use some of the product, but we're just doing the exact same process. We really use the Konmari method. So if it's something that just doesn't spark joy in our life or something that we haven't used, we're going to donate it. And that's pretty much the process we're doing throughout decluttering this whole house before we move into the apartment.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. We should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move, it kinda makes me go
I want to know your thoughts on this, but does anybody else feel that the process of moving, it can never be organized enough? Like, I can have it planned out, organized in my head, but for some reason it just does not come together that way. But so I'm just enjoying the process, taking it day by day and taking it all in. But I just want to know your comments below on that. Whenever you move, does it ever feel organized, or does it just feel like you're all over the place like me? So this is the last room we're going to tackle. This is basically a storage space for all of our boxes right now, but we also have some miscellaneous stuff on the floor that we're going to pack up, and then also get the desk out of this room so we can say that we're finally done with the guest room.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down?
So one tip I want to give you guys, if you are in the process of moving or plan to move soon, one tip that I've found that really helps is to make sure you declutter all of your items before packing them up. So that way it saves you one step whenever you get into your new place, and you're not having to declutter at the end, but just rather declutter before you move so you don't have to take all that unnecessary stuff or the stuff that you don't use. So there's one tip for you guys that I found out that it does take a little extra time, but it'll definitely be worth it at the end.
I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
I do want to mention that I'm going to end this video here. It's going to be a to be continued, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe so you'll be able to get the next video, which is going to be giving you some decluttering and organizing motivation as well. We're going to be tackling the rest of this space along with Eleni's room, so don't forget to subscribe. Also comment below and let me know what you think of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking